students. Today we are going to cover the topic expressions. What is expression? An expression is composed of one or more operation. It consists of one or more operations. The object of the operations are called operands. What is object of the operations? That is your variable, constant, everything is known as operands. Object of the operations are known as operands. The operations are represented by using operators. So which operation that is represented by using the operators? So which operation is represented by the operators? It's clear about this? So an expression is consists of two or more operations. Object of the operations are known as operands and the operations are represented by using operators. Okay. So your expression consists of operators, constants and variables. Operators, constants and variables are the constituents of expressions, are the members of expressions. An expression in Java is any valid combination of operations, that is constants, variables, that is a legal combination of Java tokens. Okay, an expression is Java is any valid combination of operators, constants and variable, that is a legal combination of Java tokens. And expressions can be of different types, that is arithmetic expression, relational or logical expression and Boolean expressions. And one more type, compound expression. Compound expression that you will learn. Many types are there. First we will learn what is arithmetic expression. What is arithmetic expression? Arithmetic expressions can be pure integer expressions and pure real expressions. Integer expressions are formed by connecting integer constants. Leave this, I will tell you in simple words. What is arithmetic expression? Means expressions which there are two types of arithmetic expression, pure expression and mixed expression. Pure expression means either the whole operands are integer type, otherwise real type. Either the whole operations are integer type or real type. As I will show you an example, that int a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2. A and b are integer type. Int c is equal to a plus b. See here, all the three operands are of type int. This is known as pure integer expressions. That is, pure expression is consist of two expressions, that is pure integer and pure real. In pure expression, all the operands are of same type. In pure expression, differences between pure expression and mixed expression will be asked. In pure expression, all the operands are of, listen carefully, all the operands are of same type. All the operands are of same type. Pure expressions are expression in which all the operands are of same type. Here A, B, C are all integer. Pure expression consists of two types, pure integer expression and pure real expression. What is pure real expression? Means float a is equal to 5.0, b is equal to 2.0, float c is equal to a minus b. See here, all the expressions are of type a, b, c are of type float. It can be double also, or double or float. Here all the expressions are also of float type, that is real type. So it is known as pure real expression. So what is pure expression? Pure expressions are expressions in which all operands are of same type, either integer or real. Everything is integer or real. This is known as pure expression. Then what will be the mixed expression? Then what will be mixed expression? Mixed expressions are expressions which consist of different types of data. which consist of different types of data. Expressions are in which operands are of different types. Pure expressions are expression in which operands are of different type. I will show you one example. Here int a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, double c is equal to a by b. Here a and b are integer type, c is a double type. So mixed expression means in which all the operands are of different types. It consists of operands of different type. This is known as mixed expression. Question will come. What is the difference between pure expression and mixed expression? You can learn from the table box. In pure expression, all the operands are of same type, and in mixed expression, the operands are of mixed or different data types. It has different data types. This is an example. A and b is of integer and c is of double. Whereas in pure, either it is in integer type or it is in real type. So everything will be same. These are known as pure integer, pure real or mixed expressions. And there is one more function in Java program known as mathematical function. Mathematical function, these are built-in classes. These are built-in classes. Math class defined in java.lang package. Don't need to worry, you have a whole chapter regarding this functions. So we will detailedly learn in that. So you just learn mathematical functions is that has math class, MS capital, math class defined in java.lang package. So math class belongs to java.lang package. Package means a container. Package means a container for class. Package means a container for class. So your math class, this is your container. This is your container. Okay. Here this is your java.lang container, and your math class belongs to java.lang container. Just learn like this, don't draw. Okay. So java.lang is a container for math class. Math class. Using math class you have many functions. How to write functions means class dot math dot function name your arguments. In 8th standard you have learned, I think, arguments. Arguments, anything come inside parenthesis is arguments. Math dot function name arguments. Suppose to find the power of, this is a syntax, you have to learn this. This is java.lang is a default package. Default package. It is automatically executed by the compiler. Automatically executed by the compiler. User need not to explicitly specify it. You will learn this in detail in 8th chapter. Okay, you just learn that math dot function name argument. This is a syntax for, you have many math functions. First one is math dot power of a comma b. Math dot power of a comma b. This means this is small letter, this part will be small letter, and this m is in capital letter, everything is in small letter. This is used to get the power of numbers such as math dot power of a comma b is equal to a raised to b. Math dot power of a comma b is equal to a raised to b. That is math dot power of a comma 2 is equal to a square. It returns the value in double data type. Math dot power returns the value in double data type. Okay, math dot power returns the value in double data type. So suppose math dot power of 4 comma 2 means it is equal to 4 raised to square, and you will get 16.0. 4 into 4, 16. 16.0 since it is written in double. And next function is math dot sqrt of x. It is used to find the square root. It is used to find the square root of x. It also returns the value in double. Math dot power is used to find the power raised to power, and mac dot sqrt is used to get the square root and its value is in double. Suppose m dot sqrt of x is equal to suppose 16. Answer will be 4.0. Math dot square root of 36, 6.0. Next function is abs. Mac dot absolute of x means it's absolute of x. If your number is in negative, it will return the value in positive. If your number is in positive, it will return the value in positive. Okay. So negative number is converted into positive and it will return the value. Positive number will be positive number only. Example, mac dot absolute of minus 17.9. You will get the answer as 17.9. Mac dot absolute of 17.9 positive number. It will not add any negative number, but only negative number is converted into positive number. Another example, mac dot absolute of 6. It will return value 6 since it is a positive number. Mac dot absolute of minus 4. It will return the value 4. So only negative number will be converted into positive number. Whenever in an expression or question you have seen this type, it is absolute. You have to use mac dot abs x for this type. Okay. Now we will solve this portion. Write the corresponding Java expressions for the following mathematical functions. I am going to solve this. So listen properly. First question is root of a square plus b square plus c square. We have to write it in the Java expression. How will you write this question? That is root of a square plus b square plus c square. In the computer keyboard, there is no square root. Have you seen any square root? Have you seen any power? So you cannot write. So how will you convert this into Java expressions? How will you write square root? For that you will write mac dot sqrt in bracket. Either you write a star a plus b star b plus c star c, semicolon. You can either write mac dot square root of sqrt of a into a plus b into b plus c into c for this, or this type of question will surely come, or you can write mac dot sqrt of for power mac dot power of a comma raised to is 2. So a comma 2 plus mac dot power of b comma 2 plus mac dot power of c comma 2, and this bracket has to be closed, semicolon. Mac dot square root for the whole square root and everything is inside the square root. So mac dot power of a comma 2 plus mac dot power of b comma 2 plus mac dot power of c comma 2. Any method. Next I will show you one more thing. P plus Q divided by R plus S raised to 4. How will you write this in Java expression? P plus Q bracket. This thing is not in Java. For that you will write slash and R plus S the whole raised to 4. So mac dot power of in bracket R plus S and power will be written here. Okay. 4 is your raised to power, that will be written in here, and which is the thing that is which is equivalent to R plus S the whole raised to 4. Okay. Next one more thing. PQ plus 2xy 4. How will you write this? PQ plus 2xy 4. There is no PQ. There is no PQ in Java. You have to write operators for that. There is no PQ. So PQ means you know that it is a multiplication. PQ means it is multiplication. So you have to write P into Q. You have to write P into Q plus 2xy. There is no 2xy. So you have to write 2 into x into, here it is not whole raised to 4. It is just y raised to 4. It is not whole raised to 4. It is just whole raised to 4. Y raised to 4. So you write mat dot power of y comma 4 semicolon. Clear? P into Q plus 2 into x into mat dot power of y comma 4. Next, how will you write this? How will you write this? What is modulus this one? Absolute. So which is equal to mac dot ABS of x for this portion plus next you have square root. So math dot SQRT of x plus 2y raised to 4x. It is not 2y whole raised to 4x. 2 is separate and y is raised to 4x. So for that you will write 2 star mac dot power of y comma 4 into x. 4 into x. Listen, the question is, I will write the question and answer here. My question is this one. There is no 4x in Java, there is no 2y in Java. So how will you write that? Mac dot absolute of x plus mac dot square root of x plus 2 star mac dot power of y comma, see y raised to 4x. Y raised to 4x. So you have to write into 4 into x. 4 into x. You should not write 4x. It should be 4 into x and semicolon. Okay. Next I will show you one more thing. 2 into x plus y the whole square. How will you write this? There is no this thing. So you have to mention it. It is equal to 2 star mac dot power of x plus y comma 2. X plus y whole raised to 2. Okay, this way you have to write. Next, moving to Boolean expressions. What is Boolean expression? Now we have learned arithmetic expression which contains two expressions, pure expression and mixed expression. Pure expressions, either the operands are of same type, that is integer, or of double. Okay, and what is mixed expression? All the operands are of mixed type, integer, float, double, anything can become. Next is Boolean expression. Here the result will be either true or false. The result will be either true or false. The Boolean expressions are a combination of constants, variables and logical and relational operators, and its result will be either true or false. See the example, x greater than y. It will give either true or false. This is which operator? Logical or. So any one condition has to be true, then it will give true. Here this is logical and. Both the condition has to be true, then only it will give true. Greater than or equal to x or y and z. It has to be true or false, and then true. Less than or equal to not y and z. So these are the examples for Boolean expressions. Now we will learn very important thing, that is system.out.println in many version. Example, system dot out dot println this I think you have written. What is the output for this? Output questions surely will come. So what is the output for this? What is this? Anything which is coming inside double quote is string. Both are string. So your output will be concatenate and will give you HA. Yes? Now suppose string. Here this is string, this is character, this is char. So string plus char, what is output? It will give concatenation again. It will perform concatenation. So whenever there is at least one string, it will perform concatenation. It will perform concatenation output. Okay, you have to learn this for exam. It will perform concatenation. Next, what is the output? Again, both are coming in double quotes. So both are string. So it will give a concatenation. So output will be H12. H12. Now, what? This is string, this is int. So what will be the output? Again, there is one string, so again it will perform concatenation and you will get the output H12. H12. Now, what about this? 12 plus 36. Both are coming in double quotes. So both are string. So again it will perform concatenation and your output will be 1236. 1236, it will not add, it will perform concatenation because both are string. Next, gain. Plus a. Here what is the condition? This is an integer. This is then char. There is no string, so it will not perform concatenation. It will perform addition. But how will you add 5 with a? How will you add? That is, in Java you have to learn this thing. Okay. A to Z is represented by 65 to 90 and small a to z is represented by 97:122. This you have to learn. Only you learn this value. Then you will never no need to learn all the things, is because when you remember the starting, you can automatically count. Capital A is 65, small a is 97. Capital A is 65, small a is 97. Learn this value, it will surely come. So capital A means 65, small a means 97. So here there is a small a. So there is no string, so it will not perform concatenation. Instead of that, what it will do means 5 plus small a's a value is 97. So it will perform 97 and you will get the output 102. you will get the output 102. Okay, this is A's value. Now suppose I will write SOPLN for system out println. This is system dot out dot println. You should not write. This is for fast. I am writing 5 plus capital C. This is capital C. This is string. 5 plus string 5C. Okay, 5C. Now SOPLN 5 plus C character. C's value, this is capital, so A's value is 65. So A is 65, B is 66, C is 67. So 5 plus 67, 5 plus 67, which is equal to again 72. Your output will be 72. This way you have to calculate, okay? This way. Next, SOPLN 5 plus 6. Both are integers, so it will give output 11. Okay, it will add the numbers and it will give the output 11. Now what is this? What is the output of this? What is this? Space. Space is also considered as a string since it is coming inside the double quotes. Okay. So this is a string plus character. It will perform a concatenation and it becomes a string, again a. So string plus a, again it will perform a concatenation. So space is there, H and A. This is your output.